Okay, so today I'm here to organize my kits with you. I've never done any kind of organization video, but I watch sticker organization videos all the time and I love them. I think they're so satisfying. So I figured I would throw my hat in the ring since I am doing a whole reorganization process right now anyway. So yeah, my organization is kind of in shambles right now, kit wise. And so I need to fix it. And also, there are some more like lineup games that I want to do. If you remember a couple months ago, I did like a random generator picks my kits or picks my lineup, and I really want to do a prompt jar picks my lineup and a planner board game picks my lineup. So I do have those in the works, but I need my kits to be more organized than they are right now, for those videos to be a fun time, you know? So here we are right now, and for the past couple years, my kits have been stored in a Like-It brick from the Container Store. And it's just a very chaotic situation going on right now. Basically, I have all of my Pop C kits in the back, and then everything else is just very loosely organized by color, but it's a mess. So I am going to be retiring the Like-It brick for my kit storage, and I am erasing and replacing it with a palette organizer, with an acrylic palette organizer from Amazon. Sorry, it's a little bit rickety, a little bit loud. Not rickety because it is like really nice, solid quality, but it is a little bit loud because like the dividers are adjustable. They do have ones with stationary dividers as well, but also like when it's full, I have one of these with all of my foil bundles as well. So when it's full, like there's not that rattling. Don't quite know how I want to organize these yet. I'm thinking by shop. Let me actually take the pop culture ones out first real quick so I can set those aside. Okay, that's not pop culture, and that's not pop culture. Everything else is. Okay, cool. So I'm going to set these aside and also set these aside and put the Cafe with Anna kit in my seasonal binder, and I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do with this yet. And my camera's crooked, so let me fix that. Okay. Hopefully that's better. So yeah, I'm going to set those aside and set the Pop C kits aside as well. And other than that, I don't really know how I want to do this. So I think that I'm just going to separate by shop for starters. 99.9% of my kits are from Caress Press, SPC, or Pink Diamond Planner Co. So I think I want to organize by shop and then maybe do a little bit more micro organizing from there. So yeah, I'm going to do this real quick and then I will be right back. Okay, so everything is separated by shop now. We have Pink Diamond, SPC, and Caress Press. And then there were a couple seasonal kits in the mix as well that I pulled out to put in the seasonal binders. So we've got a Caress Press fall kit, a Caress Press summer kit, one of my favorite SPC summer kits, and then the Pink Diamond Juneteenth kit. So this will go in my fall album. These will go in my summer album. I still don't know exactly where I want to go from here. Maybe separate anytime and more themed kits and see how that fits in the organizer and just kind of go from there. And I'm going to go ahead and pop my Pop C kits in the back. And okay. So I guess I will start with Caress Press and get these out of the way.
Nothing could change what it was like. You came out as the scatter. I felt I'd always feel this way. Outside the world, so gated. You make it like I should stay away. Nothing could change what it was like. You came out as the scatter. I felt I'd always feel this way. Outside the world, so gated. You make it like I should stay away.
Okay, so I think I'm good with where the organization is at now. So in this first slot, I just set aside a handful of kits that I want to use in the near future, kind of the like first priority kits. So those are in the first slot, and then the next two slots are SPC, and then the next two slots are Crest Press. Then we have Pink Diamond Planner Co. and all of the Pop C kits. As my Pink Diamond collection grows, I may move my Pop C kits to an album just to free up that back slot. But yeah, this is what it's looking like for now. I think this is going to serve me much better. I love how everything is kind of categorized. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and hanging out. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.